We got a lemon drop, we got green tea, and we got Fireball.
You sold any yet? What's up, brother?
All right, give it some juice.
Give it some rev.
Check out this Leesburg Bikefest. Come watch with us. I just wanted everyone to know.
You gotta expect this tank to look like this, right? Take your place between all those beautiful women to get your picture taken.
With the twins here. And they are twins, guys. Alright, on 3. Welcome to Leesburg Bikefest 2023. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Leesburg Bikefest 2023.
Awesome.
I had somebody come in my bar the other day and was like, I want a Bud Light, and I looked at him and I was like, I haven't had that in so long.
So anyways, we're out here at Dirty South Saloon. We're having fun out here.
Hell yeah!
She knows something.
Rope foot and all!
Rope foot.
I bet there's blood in there, but it's alright.
I don't look broke.
Right? As long as you don't look broke, you're alright.
Look, let's stand still.
Thank you for watching Leesburg Bikefest.
Yeah!
Tell me that you love to hate me. Tell me that you love to care.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Me and my buddies picked the whole bike up.
Scott Bagger.
I'm sure there's Scott Bagger's out college and I got kicked out, so I didn't have it. So I started my own business. I'm making twice as much as I was.
I only have one bike elementary.
Oh, and I finished the bike.
Antique class.
Yeah. I just finished this one over here.
Antique adventure sports bike.
This is where it went down right here, guys.
No, there's like, I'm proud of the camera.
No speaking. No speaking. No habla.
He's wagging his tail. That's a good sign. All right, we're back. Leesburg Bikefest. Saturday evening. Trying to figure out if it's going to rain or not.
There you go. That's it, right there, right there.
It's worth seeing again for sure.
Welcome to Leesburg Bikefest. Where are we doing?
2022.
Welcome to Leesburg Bikefest 2023.
It's a 750 Honda. The 750 single overhead cam was the motor from 69 through 78. And it makes the best looking
Y'all have Instagram?
I do, yeah.
Okay, first you, what's your Instagram?
It's at Nikki Lee.
That's easy enough. How do you spell Nikki?
N-I-C-K-I-E.
And what about you?
For me, mine is Vicious Starfish. Vicious_Starfish.
All right, make sure you follow them on Instagram.
Give us a like. Give us a shout.
All right, perfect. He said that's the newest one they just built. Wow. They put the fire kits on them and stuff.
Yeah. Wow, man.
That's crazy, isn't it?
Crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like
I
that.
know.
Wait, we should do a turnaround one. Do a turnaround. Yeah, that was so awkward. All right, so we have a 3, 2, 1. Isn't that cute?
All right, on 3, 1, 2, 3.
You guys bartend.
I didn't know. I mean, close to the villages, right? So I want to like put a whole bunch of different color loofahs out here.
Oh, that'd be
See if
cool.
people know what the meaning is. I bet these folks would. You all know? About that?
No.
No? It's like the villages, like where the older folks live. So they all have golf carts and shit. Did you want a beer, sir? Okay. They'll hang different colored loofahs on their cars or their golf carts or whatever, and each color means something different.
And we want to thank everybody who put their bikes in the show. Here we go. Second place in our stock bagger class with a 21 HD Ultra wears Mike Pate. Or Pate? Mike Pate? There he is. Mark Pate.
Welcome to Leesburg Bikefest at the Dirty South Saloon. Come on down, you're missing out.
That's good, right there, right there. Hold that pose, looking good. Yeah.
All right, if you guys got a bike in the show, make your way over here. We got our Fireball ladies ready to do the trophy presentation.
Hey, Fireball girl.
If we can, did I just, there we go. We're gonna have everybody back up a little bit. There we go, Danny's blowing his whistle on everybody.
Don't do that right here. Don't do that right here.